this is a massaging machine and it has all the tools you need for your daily skincare routine, right? So I'm just gonna tell you about this, how to use it. Right. First of all, I have this one, and it's a cleansing brush with this machine. And when we switch it on, it's like this, and it cleanses your skin. When you put a cleanser on your brush, it cleanses your skin very perfectly and ideally. Like it removes your open pores and all dirt, oil from around your skin. Second, right, then I have this one, and it's a massager. So if we are feeling like very exhausted and like very weird, and obviously when we are exhausted, our skin feels like it's very much tight skin. So soothe up your skin and have a relaxing effect on your skin. It works the best out. This is your massager, right? Like this, and it works the very best. You can hear it voice, and you can use it in a round circular motion. Come to this side, and then start from downward to upward motion, and it keeps massaging. Right, this one we have, it's a tweezer type, and it can clean up all your hairs while you adjust it in its lower portion, that is the machine. And then we have this one. It's um it's for your uh, foot scrub. It's a foot scrub to those who have a cracked dry skin. It's very much effective for those ladies or gents. It's a foot scrub, right? And when you use it with the machine, it scrubs all the cracked heels under the sole of your feet. And then we have the next one. It's a shaver type. It especially works for men. Obviously, women don't use it, but you can use it when you have to go on for any occasion urgently. Then you can't take a wax, so you can use this one for your arms hair removing urgently. You can use it this one, or your chin, or whether you have it on your upper lips area. You can use this shaver. It's a very it doesn't have any side effects. It's a very gentle one. It won't harm your skin, won't burn your skin, won't have any allergies, won't have any, because I've used it personally. So giving you a very effective tip how to keep your hair skin uh, more energetic and reviving and cleansed all the day thoroughly. Because we are people who need instant things at very instant moments. So we are not that people who take time to do a massage on your skin, and especially when you have to go for your job and you have to work out, um, go out urgently for any purpose, right? You can use this kit, and it will be you will. All right, so I suggest this one, and it's gonna work amazing for your skin, believe me. And just I will suggest you to buy it, purchase it. It's not that expensive. Also, it's highly economical for all the ladies watching me out there. Try and do let me know how it works for you.